In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how much Dropbox space you have. This is a simple process, but for those of you who are new to Dropbox or perhaps haven't navigated your account settings recently, it may seem a bit daunting at first. Don't worry, I'll walk you through each step, making sure you're comfortable and confident in managing your cloud storage like a pro. Let's start by getting to the Dropbox website. You'll want to open your preferred internet browser and type in www.dropbox.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see the Dropbox homepage, a gateway to all your stored files and folders. But before you can access any of that, you must log into your account. Upon arriving at Dropbox homepage, look for the login button. This should be quite easy to locate, usually found towards the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you're already signed in on your device, you might skip this step, but it's good practice to know how for times when you're using a new device or have logged out previously. Now, Dropbox provides several ways to log in, including using your email address and password. However, for simplicity, and if you've set it up this way, clicking on Continue with Google can streamline the process. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, which is particularly handy if you, like many of us, have more passwords than you can comfortably remember. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your Dropbox account. To manage your files, you'll typically head over to Files, Dropbox, accessible from the sidebar. This is where all the magic happens, from uploading new files to sharing folders with colleagues. Next, let's navigate to your profile to check your storage space. You'll find your profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. It's a little nook in Dropbox where you can manage account settings and preferences. Once you've opened that menu, look for an option labeled Manage Account. Selecting this will take you to a page dedicated to your account settings, including security, notifications, and importantly for us today, storage space. Now, for the moment we've been waiting for, checking your Dropbox storage space. On the account management page, you'll find a section labeled Personal Dropbox Space. This is your digital storage room, where you can see how much space you've used and how much you have left. It's essential to keep an eye on this, especially if you're close to reaching your storage limit, as it will affect your ability to upload new files. Understanding your Dropbox storage space is crucial for managing your files effectively. Checking your space regularly can help ensure that you don't run into sudden storage issues, particularly if you rely on Dropbox for work or personal projects. If you find yourself nearing or at capacity, consider deleting files you no longer need or exploring Dropbox's various subscription options for additional space. In summary, managing your Dropbox space is a straightforward process. Begin by visiting the Dropbox website and logging into your account. Navigate your way to the account management settings through your profile. There you'll find all the details on your current storage space. Keep a close eye on it to make the most out of your Dropbox experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on checking how much Dropbox space you have. I hope this video helps you stay on top of your cloud storage needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides and tech tips. Until next time, happy file managing.